guys, it's me, Chris. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my brother, and today I'm going to teach you how to pop a balloon with no sound. So let's just get started. So first, what you need will be a blowed balloon and some scissors. So let's just get started. Wait. First, you need 2% for this. You need 1% to hold a balloon. And I'm going to tell you where to cut. So you must cut over... Wait, here, I'll show you. You must cut here. Come and cut it. You got to cut over here. Then it will have no sound. I'll teach you. Look. Guys, look. You cut over here. Okay, Darren, bring the camera closer. You need to cut over here, which the tie is over here, the knot is over here, and pop here, and then a little bit only. Just cut a little bit, and it has no sound at all. So, come on, I'll teach you only air sound. So here, I'll teach you. So you just cut it. Look, there's no more sound. It's just a air sound because all of your air is in there. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, so now I'm going to pop it. Okay, so this is more brighter. So you must cut here. You must cut over here. Here. You must cut over here. And you just cut a little bit. And then you just...
They just smash.
Yeah, and then you just cut more. And then it will just pop normal. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Our balloons pop.
Yeah, so I know this is a short video, but thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys will subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and I'll try my best to make it happen. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
I'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye.